Little steak and eggs for breakfast. I got the skirt steak, so I'm gonna use that. My wife wants some Spam too, so I will make some slices, and then gonna make some potato, onions, and eggs. I was peeling, I think, a carrot in one video, and someone said I'm peeling the wrong way. I think the European way is peeling this way, and then the Asian way is peeling this way, or it's the other way around. I don't know, but I like peeling this way, where you kind of grab the bottom and then use it as sort of a guide. Feels natural to me. I'm just gonna cut up the potatoes into little chunks. Some onions. I'm also gonna get this pan on for the steak. Some olive oil. Potato in, onions in too. A little salt, a little pepper, and a little red pepper, just a little bit. A little knob of butter. Let me season one side first. Olive oil in the pan. Let me cut some Spam. Break a few eggs. Gonna flip the steak. Spam in. It's basted. We've also got a clove of garlic in here too. Turn this off. Let this sit for a second. Flip the Spam. We got some rice. Eggs in. Cooking these quick. A little chive quick. A little chive on here. And cut this way. Hot. Okay. Hot sauce. Let's try it. No hot sauce on the eggs and steak. Delicious. Okay, I'm gonna go. Goodbye.